little ponies, to the adventure we go!
Yippee! This is the best day ever!
Out of the way, ponies! Here comes the ultimate slime slide! Ready, set, whoa!
Sam, what did I tell you about mud? Look at you all! We need to fix this now!
Oopsie! Let's roll off this mud, friends!
Oh, that mud looks really stiff, but we have to clean this up.
Good thing I got this mud remover, ready to swipe the filthy mud off at once!
Oh, thanks, Sam!
No problem!
Alright, let's clean you up and do some makeover, Pinkie Pie.
Wow! Oh, can Baby Pinkie get some too?
Baby Pinkie? Well, of course! If Mommy gets a makeover, Baby can get one too! Oh, look at that! It's really good at removing all the mud.
Next is my Baby Pinkie's turn. Where is she?
Mommy! Okay, you can get down now.
I can't! I'm stuck!
Holy cannoli!
Let me help you with that.
Ow! You removed my hair too, Sue!
Sammy, slimes don't grow hair. Okay, Baby Pinkie Pie, it's your turn to get all cleaned up. Hold still, this will be quick. We need you sparkling clean for your new outfit.
Oh, I can't wait to see my new outfit!
I was thinking lots of bright colors, just like a rainbow. And done!
Whee! Thank you, Sue! I feel so sparkly! Mommy, I'm all clean now! Oh, my baby! We are ready for the makeover!
Okay, now on to the outfit.
I need that paper, Sam.
What paper?
Stop playing around, Sammy.
No! Oh well.
Now bye-bye, slime. Sorry about that. Sam can be silly sometimes. Just hold still for a bit.
The tickle, Sue!
Wait! Pinkie Pie, come back!
Pony on the loose! I'll get her back, Sue!
Thanks, Sammy. Just make sure she doesn't find more mud this time, okay?
Don't worry about that, Sue. Here she is. Hey, I got an idea for a cool design for you, Pinkie Pie.
Really?
Just give me the pencil, Susie.
All right, here you go.
Just wait for it. Abracadabra, presto, changeo.
Wow, it's awesome! Now it's coloring time.
I'm a fashion genius of the slime world. You'll see more of me. Let's add some pizzazz to this design. Get ready to be dazzled, everyone. Hey, Susie! Check out my masterpiece.
What is this mess, Sammy?
Oh, my feta! I guess it is a disaster.
Maybe you just need a little rainbow help.
Voila!
Oh, Rainbow Dash, you've saved us! I only need to add the shoes for the hoops. This outfit's ready for fitting. Look at all this. You are gonna look so pretty, Pinkie Pie.
Hey, Sue, I'm back! I heard my outfit is ready now.
Oh yes, it is ready. Let me put it on you. And these shoes look really good too. Am I right, friends?
Urgent unicorn stuff delivery for Pinkie Pie. Oh, Susie. I promise this time I didn't make a mess with it.
Okay, Sam, I trust you. Let's see what's inside this envelope. Oh, wow! But, where should we put these?
I knew there was something wrong with this delivery.
I think this goes over here. And another one goes over here. I'm pretty sure this one is the main. See? And here is your horn, obviously. Let's not forget your crystal jewels. And the crown, of course. What else is left?
Susie, look! I'm a flying slime! Have you ever seen anything like this? Whee!
Wings! Get over here, Sammy.
No!
Gotcha!
My wings! I'm a grounded slime again!
And the final touch. Great!
Oh, Baby Pinkie, it's your turn! I'm coming! Yeah! Wow, my tibby-dabba! You surely look amazing! Really?
Aren't we beautiful, Baby Pinkie?
Oh yeah, the prettiest!
I feel amazing!
Me too!
Hey, make way for others, will ya? Don't worry, Sunset. Everyone's getting a makeover today. But first, let's clean up the mud. Just a little bit more, and we're done. Oh, my baby needs a cleanup too.
Hi, Mommy.
Right this way, baby sunset.
Does this mean I gotta prepare another outfit design?
I'm afraid so. Isn't that what a fashion genius does? And that's you, Sammy.
Okay. I'm pretty sure I put it somewhere here. Where is it? Not this. Nope. I found it. Yes! I should better check it first. Oh, it's here, Sue.
What are you talking about? Ah, your design. So what colors should we make it?
Oh, we must go bold, Susie. Vibrant green and blue, and dazzling yellow and red.
All right, green and blue, you said? Whoosh! Nice! Now yellow and red. Wow, what an enchanting color combination!
Make me the prettiest so I can rule the world.
Okay, but I don't get this world-ruling thing.
Why don't we get you in this gorgeous cape? The colors really fit your complexion. And the shoes! Oh, they're my favorite! These important headpieces will definitely make you look positively radiant. Especially the crown and the jewel. Yup! So, how do you like your new look? Oh no, wait! We still have the tail and pretty wings. There you go!
And voila! She's ready too!
You got it all wrong!
Oops, I'll fix it now. Here, there. Ah, that's better. Okay, it's all in the right place now.
Oh, awesome!
By the magic of light and cheer, make the horn and wing appear! Swish, swish! Wow! Oh, wait, am I a unicorn now?
Sam, they are not for you. These are baby sunsets.
Okay.
Here's your horn and your wing. There!
Wow, Mommy! I got my horn and wing!
Oh, my baby, we are gonna make Equestria shine brighter than ever.
Yay!
Now it's your turn, the Rainbow Dash family. Wait here, I'll be right back.
Are we excited or what?
Let's do a little magic, okay?
Yay! Great artist coming! Susie, you have to see this design. It is my best work yet. Oh, I feel a wave of inspiration. Just give me a few seconds. More details here. A touch of flair there. Oh, it's perfection. Oh, do you like it?
Oh, Sammy, I think you made it a few sizes too big.
It is the pencil's fault, not mine! All right, Pencil. You think you're so smart, huh? You pranked me! No more chance for you. Goodbye!
Whoa! Okay, Sammy, let me help you fix this. Shrinky shoe. Look, Sammy, it's the perfect size now. Great!
Really, Sue? Oh, Pencil, it wasn't a prank after all. You're my trusty sidekick. I will never doubt you again.
Do you mind if I pick colors myself?
Wow, great job! Now it's perfectly cut out and ready for you, Rainbow Dash. All right, let's get you dressed up with this gorgeous cape. And here come the rainbow shoes. Oh, you already look so majestic.
The mane is gonna make you look like a superstar. There you go. How is it?
I don't think it's mine. It gives me itch.
Oh! Oopsie, my bad. I'll get the right one. I will be back in a flash. Sue, help me! I can't find Rainbow Dash's mane.
Relax, Sam. I got it right here. See?
Oh, nice!
Oh, my lovely mane!
And your bangs.
Why, thank you so much! I want a dress and a mane too!
We'll get those for you, baby Rainbow Dash.
Come with me.
Aw, they grow up so fast.
There they are. Well, that's it. We're ready to go.
Wait! But you forgot the jewel, Sue! I'll take care of it!
Sammy, relax, would you? I have the horn and the jewel right here. And of course the crown. And the wing, too. For you too, baby Rainbow. Aw, you look so adorable and majestic. Ready to fly now.
Okay, girls, give me your best smiles. Hold still and say cheese. Perfect. You two look amazing.
Okay, I'm ready for my makeover too.
That's great! Let's start with swiping the mud off your body. Friends, I love watching the mud removal myself. It's kinda soothing, you know?
You're so good at this, Sue.
Well, thank you, Twilight. We're almost done here. Great!
It's your cue, Sammy.
I have sparkles, stars, and a cap fit for royalty.
Well, according to the Ancient Pony Encyclopedia, we're not supposed to wear caps.
Did I say cap? I must have misspoken. I meant cape, of course. Okay, here it goes. Okay, is this what you want?
Show me. Well, almost.
I'm feeling over my head. Susie, take over, please. Please!
So, what now?
Look, Twilight, I think this is perfect for you.
Well, that is not what I have in mind.
Huh?
Nope.
Goo goo oh gaga, that is the question.
And who's the fastest pony in Equestria? Is it Zoomy Zoom or Sparkle Dash?
Okay, that's enough. I need fun on the playground. Come here, baby Twilight. I'll teach you how to have fun around here. You ready? Tickles, tickles, tickles!
I think this outfit fits perfectly the one in the Ancient Pony Encyclopedia.
Don't forget the jewels, Susie.
Oh yeah, thanks, Sam.
That's what I'm here for. There you go, little one. Off to mommy you go.
Thank you, Sam.
Oh, she's so cute.
Goo goo gaga. Hi, Mama.
Hi, sweetie. Sparkle and shine, outfit divine. Absolutely adorable.
And remember, honey, having fun is important in Pony's world.
Yay! Mommy, come! Let's go to the trampoline! Okay, next up is Fluttershy. Fluttershy!
Hello?
Oh, there you are. Don't be shy, Fluttershy. You'll definitely love the makeover we've prepared for you.
Okay.
The mud removal won't take too long, I promise. See? All done!
Detective Sam's on the case of a missing baby pony. Yoo-hoo, baby Fluttershy!
We have everything ready in this locker for you, Fluttershy. Wow! I can't wait to see you in this beautiful dress. Here you go. Oh, you look pretty.
Excuse me, has anyone seen a baby pony?
Don't tell me you just lost a baby pony again, Sam. Go find her, now!
On my way!
Let's bring on some magic again. Ta-da!
Oh my! Baby Fluttershy! Boo! Oh, come here, Mommy's looking for you. Coming! Okay, jump on Uncle Sam. Whee! Let's go! I'll make sure you... What was that? That went too far! Let's do it again, Uncle Sam. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna pass. Oh, wait! Susie?
Sam, are you okay?
Just a little tired, boss.
Oh, poor thing. Well, at least we dressed up these ponies too. They look gorgeous.
Come on, Mama, let's ride. Hop on, baby.
Whee!
Finally, it's your turn, baby Rarity.
Ready for some scrubbing?
Nuh-uh, we only take hot baths.
Okay, let's go to the bathtub then.
It's a good thing we got one right here.
Whoa, bubbles!
Here's the real spa. Sparkle on the double.
That was refreshing.
Perfect.
Okay, your outfits will arrive soon. Express delivery checked. Be patient. Huh? Is it here already? Wow, they mean express like lightning fast. Hello. Express delivery for Rarity. Whoa, heavy. Thanks, bro. Sure thing. Careful there. Time for the grand unveiling. Oh my goodness. They are so gorgeous. Susie, you gotta see this. Quick. Outfit and accessories are here.
Thanks, Sammy.
No problem.
Rarity's gonna love this dress. It is absolutely divine.
Hey, Sue, check out my new hair extensions.
Hey, those are Rarity's manes.
Oh, come on. All right, let's whip up something for you. Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Huh? Oh, nothing happened, Sue.
Okay, let me try. Give some space, please. There you go, baby Rarity. Oh, you look so adorable and majestic.
Wow, how did you do that? Cool!
Thanks, we are off to the rainbow. This game's so fun and exciting.
Yup!
Wow, you girls are so clean. Let's get you into your outfits.
Yay!
Think I'm gonna pass. I gotta finish this level in my game.
Are you sure? Look what I got for you, lovely ponies. Come and get it.
Hey, give me that apple. Got my apple. And I got you. Whoops, sorry. I'll say you are ready for your makeover, Applejack.
Whoosh!
Ready for the photo shoot? Great! Smile and cheese! You look fabulous! We know!
Wow, spectacular transformation!
Yeah, we did it! High five, best buddy!
Yeah! Shout out to the team! Anyway, friends, don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. It is time for bed now.